Welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to be comparing the Veritas PMV11 to the Lie Nielsen A2, but we're also going to include a mystery chisel. If you know, you know. Stick with me. Here they are side by side. Gonna roll some footage of me actually using these chisels. Now, as I mentioned, we have a mystery chisel that's going to be involved in this review, because I expected the Veritas PMV11 to sweep the floor with the Lie Nielsen A2 because it's PMV11, and that it tends to be the steel that I prefer. I did do a test of the Veritas PMV11 versus the Narex Richters. I'll put a little link in the corner. The Richters did a phenomenal job. The PMV11 did take some edge damage, but they did not take any kind of significant chip. When I started using this one, and I started doing some heavy chopping into this curly oak, it did take a significant chip out of the corner, which I'll show you. When I started using the Lie Nielsen on that curly oak, it took a small chip out of the corner, which I'll try to show you, but I don't know that it's going to come out real clear. So I had spent a lot of time with the PMV11 1-inch when I was testing it against the Richters, and then I started spending a lot of time with this one, and I was realizing this Lie Nielsen is very comfortable, and it's doing a really good job, and it's holding its edge really well. So I started thinking, should I sell my user set of chisels and keep this set of Lie Nielsen chisels that I have? So of course, that's where we get into, I'm adding my user set of chisels into the mix. Now, when you start seeing footage of me using the Ashley Iles, it's going to be a little bit later. This one is the 1/2 inch. The one that I was testing was actually the 3/8, and I didn't realize it until I started taking all of the measurements and stats to review with you guys. So this is the 1/2 inch now, but again, I was using the 3/8. So what we have here, this is the Ashley Iles MK2. It's O1 steel. Veritas PMV11, Lie Nielsen A2. So it's kind of an interesting review. I'll get to like an overview afterwards, but let's go through the stats of each one of these chisels. So I already talked about the steel types. Let's talk about the cost. So the Lie Nielsen is $95, PMV11 $92, Ashley Iles $43.95. That's a pretty significant difference between these three. These two are pretty close. Mind you, these are all for the 1/2 inch sizes. But the Ashley Iles is the cheapest of all of them. The handle length, as you can see, there is a significant difference in the handle length and width and all that kind of stuff already. The Lie Nielsen is 3.5 inches, PMV11 4.25 inches, Ashley Iles 6 inches. So, big handle there. Now, the width of the handles. The Lie Nielsen is about 1 inch. I'm going right into the middle. So the Lie Nielsen is about 1 inch or 26 millimeters. The Veritas, if you don't know Veritas, they have an indent here, but it's rounded here. So I took two different measurements for that. So for the rounded side, it is 1.2 inches or 30 millimeters. For the flat side, it's 1 inch or 27 millimeters. And again, that's diameter for these. I don't know if I made that clear. The handle for the Ashley Iles is 1.3 inches or 34 millimeters. So that's the biggest handle out of all of them. Lie Nielsen is the smallest. I was very surprised at how comfortable the smaller handle was versus the PMV11 handle, because you'd think like right in the middle, that's what's going to be comfortable. This was actually very comfortable. Now blade length, which is basically all of it until it goes flat. So like the Lie Nielsen I measured to here. The Veritas PMV11 goes all the way up to this ferrule. So I measured all of that because all of that is flat. And then the Ashley Iles I measured until it was flat here too. So for the Lie Nielsen, it is 3 3/4 inches. For the PMV11, it is 4 3/4 inches. And for the Ashley Iles, it is 3 5/8. Overall length. Lie Nielsen is about 9 1/16. Now, mind you, all of these were used when I bought them. I didn't buy any of them new, so this could be slightly off, depending on how much they were used. So Lie Nielsen, 9 1/16. PMV11, 9 7/8. Ashley Iles, 10 3/4. So, biggest handle, or I guess biggest overall, smallest, medium, okay? Now I do want to point out that we kind of have 3 different styles of chisels here. So the Lie Nielsen's actually a socket where this handle comes out, but because I was pounding it into the wood, now I can't get the handle out, but it is socket. So these handles do come out. I'll work on that later. The PMV11 is technically like a socket tang. No, I'd probably just say a tang chisel with a ferrule because it has a piece that goes up into the handle. I'd say maybe about like right there. I don't know for sure, but this is technically a tang chisel. Then Ashley Iles, I don't know. It looks like socket because it's got this socket right here, but I don't know if they have that metal piece that goes in. If I figure it out when I'm editing this video, I'll let you know. But to me, it just looks like a socket chisel with the ferrule right here. So if you have a preference on that, let me know, because I've heard a lot of people say, oh, I prefer socket for this, or I prefer tang for this, or whatever. Let us know down below what your preference is. Some people say sockets are better for like smashing with a hammer and tang are better for paring. I don't know that I've noticed a difference. Yeah. The other thing I want to point out is with these sides here. So if you can see, I'm going to try to catch it in the light. See this line right there, the edge? So that's a pretty narrow edge. There's no way I'm going to be able to measure that for you, and I don't know that it'll focus for me to capture in camera, but just look at that piece of light. So the Lie Nielsen's is pretty narrow, and it's pretty consistent until you get about up to here. So to me, that's pretty good machining. The Veritas PMV11 come to an exact corner, and they actually recommend that you hit the corners with a file or something so you don't cut yourself, because these sides can get sharp. So you can see that there. I don't know if I'll be able to... I don't think you'll be able to see it in the light, but it is a distinct corner right here. The Ashley Iles is not machined as well, at least not as narrow. So see that line right there? It's a lot thicker than the Lie Nielsen, and definitely a lot thicker than the PMV11. But it's also about half the price. So, I mean, you can't expect it to be better than that. They do have other different styles and stuff that I guarantee you are like narrower than this. I think this is their cheapest model. So that's something to keep in mind, but there's the sides of that. So machining wise, PMV11 is kind of doing better because it's machined a little bit. It's machined to an exact corner on the sides. Now that's really good when it comes into like dovetails and stuff like that. I don't know that it makes that big of a difference. You can let us know down below your thoughts on that. So edge retention wise, the Ashley Iles did take a little chip out of the corner. I honestly expected it to roll over or fold over because it's only 01. The Veritas PMV11 took a pretty significant chip out of the corner. Now again, mind you, when I tested the 1-inch, that did not happen. The Lie Nielsen just has a little corner out. The corner's just gone on it. So as soon as I do a micro bevel, that's going to be gone. PMV11, I'm going to have to put in a little bit more work. Ashley Iles, it'll be gone with a micro bevel as well. So there you have it. Just to go over some of the stats with you real quick so you can make your own opinion. I'm going to give you mine later because I did talk about selling one, keeping one, whatever. So I'll give you that later on in the video. But the stats for now for you to decide. The Ashley Iles is the biggest and the cheapest. It's made with 01 steel, but that 01 held its edge very well. Way better than I ever expected it would. You may have to pay shipping from the England on these, but just keep in mind these handles are really big. The Lie Nielsen is the smallest and the most expensive. It is made with A2. It is $95 and you'll have to pay for shipping. The Veritas PMV11 is falling right in the middle, size-wise, not price-wise. This chisel costs you $92 free shipping. So hopefully this helped you guys make a decision. I'm going to give you my opinion now. So if you don't want to hear it, go ahead and click away. I get it. So to wrap all of that up, I'm keeping the Ashley Iles chisels because I have issues with my wrist, and I've talked about it a lot. But if you can see that scar right there, so I have a metal plate in here like holding my bones together. And then I also have something that's called fibromyalgia. If you guys don't know what that means, it basically just means your body hurts all the time. So on days that I have flare-ups like that, I like that these are bigger chisel handles. I like that there's more to hold on to here because holding on to something like this is going to hurt all in here. So I'm definitely keeping these for that exact reason, that it just has a bigger handle. And again, that 01 did a really good job. So now, I'm pretty disappointed in the PMV11 that it took that significant of a chip. Again, this didn't happen when I was testing the number one size. But it still took the damage. And now that I've used the Lie Nielsen versus the PMV11, the Lie Nielsen is a lot more comfortable to me. I know that it's smaller, and I was just talking about issues with my hands, but sometimes you do need to get up close and have that detail if you're like cleaning out dovetails or finger joints or something like that. This was a lot more comfortable to do that with versus the PMV11 being longer and a bigger handle. So, Veritas Tool Nerds, that's my Facebook group if you didn't know. Veritas Tool Nerds, I love you. Don't hate me for this, but this Lie Nielsen chisel did a phenomenal job. I'm very impressed with it. I did not expect it to do well. I expected the PMV11 to do better, but I have to admit, they did a great job with these chisels. The metal is really good. It wasn't difficult to sharpen. It held its edge really well, and then it just felt smooth in the cut. I don't know if it's because this PMV11 took more edge damage that it wasn't as smooth anymore, or if it's because of how I'm holding it. Either way, I really like this chisel. I got them for about, I'd probably say like $71 to $72 a piece if we count in shipping with them. So that's what's also making me consider keeping them, that I got them for a deal. If I got the PMV11 for a deal, maybe it would be different, but I don't know, because these were just so comfortable to use. So tool nerds, I love you. Don't hate me. I hope this helped you guys make a decision. If you have any questions, any comments, anything like that, feel free to let us know down below. I hope you guys enjoyed, and have a good day.